Hey guys, Aaron from Gold Mobility. Just want to show you a really neat truck that we have the honor of working on here. This conversion is actually by a company called ATC out of the US. It's the only conversion right now on the market that allows for a pickup truck to become wheelchair accessible. Actually, it's the only vehicle that a person in a wheelchair can drive besides the traditional minivan at this point. So there's a bunch of equipment that got added to this truck to make it usable for the person that owns it. I'm just going to show you a few things here that we've done. So the conversion operates hydraulically, opens and closes this door with the push of a button. The door will open up. Press another button, the little pan will actually slide out on an angle, drop down. So the wheelchair user will back onto the platform, get secured with a power lock down device. We've installed a headrest system here that is crash tested. It allows for the user to have head and upper back support in case the vehicle is ever hit from behind. Some of the driving stuff we've added to it. So this is it has the Sure Grip Featherlight hand controls, which operate the gas pedal electronically. What that means is that the vehicle can only read one of the two items at a time. So it's either going to be reading the accelerator, the pedal on the floor, or else it'd be reading the hand control. The reason why that's really important is if you ever take your vehicle in for service and you have hand controls installed, the last thing you want is a tech to jump in there, grab the hand control and say, hey, what does this do? And the thing ends up driving over a hoist or through a door, that type of thing. There's a couple other neat things here. So we used a smaller diameter steering wheel. The reason why this was important for this guy, certain people don't have enough range to go all the way up and around when steering with the full-size steering wheel. This actually allows him to not have to move as far, but still get the full range of the steering system. This also has an 80% reduction in steering effort. So the new Chev trucks are actually they use an electronic steering rack. So this rack was actually fully modified to reduce the effort required by up to 80%. And with that, there's also a backup system so that if the power was to ever fail, the secondary battery offers power to that steering system so the vehicle can be pulled safely to the side of the road. Something else that's neat, being that when he drives this truck, one hand will be locked into the tri-pin on the steering wheel, the other hand will be locked into the hand control. Ask yourself, how am I going to signal? How am I going to honk my horn if somebody cuts me off? How am I going to set my cruise control? Well, what's really cool is there's a button on his for his elbow that when he presses it, a nice southern voice comes on and says things like left turn, right turn, horn, wipers, wash, cruise control. So as he's driving down the road, he needs to lane change. He taps the button. If it's a left turn he presses it again. It actually turns his left signal on and holds it on for a period of time. So different devices like that allow this gentleman to be fully safe on the road just like the rest of us. A couple other really neat things to this system. We installed a console seat here in the middle, and the reason why this is important to this user, now the truck is only set up for the wheelchair to be in the driver position. There's no additional alterations to the passenger side. Let's say they're on a road trip and he feels that he can't drive anymore. This little console seat allows him to transfer over into the passenger seat, and somebody else could then drive the vehicle from sitting in his wheelchair. Something else we've added to this truck normally emergency brakes are pedal operated with your foot. Now, of course, as a wheelchair user, he doesn't have strength to do that, to apply the e-brake. So we've added a little button on this side that when you press that button, a little motor in a box underneath the body actually actuates or pulls the e-brake for him. So just another device that allows him to be as safe as anyone else on the road today. So something neat. We don't get to see projects like this every day, but it's exciting because it's different, and it means that somebody gets their full independence back. So if you ever need stuff like this, give me a shout. Like I said, we really enjoy working on projects like this because it's somewhat different from our day-to-day. Give me a shout, 242-9060, Aaron at goldmobility.ca.